Situation 8. How to handle reservation cancellations over the phone, guaranteed booking. Good morning. Thank you for calling the Happy Kite Hotel. This is Susan from the reservations department. How may I help you?
Hello, I have a reservation from April 5th to April 16th. Now, I need to cancel this reservation.
May I know your name and the reservation code, please?
My name is Cameron, and the reservation code is B8099.
Thank you. Wait a moment, please. I need to check the information about the original reservation. Yes, Mr. Cameron Harmon, you have booked 3 suite rooms at the rate of $300 per night from April 5th to April 16th. You will pay for the rooms, the other guests will pay for the rest. You have used your credit card to guarantee your booking. Your telephone number is 907-826-3317, and your email address is cameronharmon@gmail.com. Is that right?
Yes, exactly.
May I know the reason that made you cancel the booking, please?
Oh, the magazine canceled the business trip, so we would like to cancel the reservation.
Oh, what a pity. According to the contract, you notify us of the cancellation of the rooms 5 days before the expected arrival date, so we will return the deposit to you, sir.
Thank you.
May we transfer the deposit back to the credit card that you used to make the payment to our hotel a few days ago, Mr. Cameron?
Yes, thank you.
Your Visa numbers are 2261-5353, 2463, 2439, and the owner is Mr. Cameron Harmon. Is that right, sir?
Yes, right.
Well, Mr. Cameron, I have canceled the reservation of 3 suite rooms from April 5th to April 16th for you. We are going to send a confirmation to your email address right now. Please check, confirm, and send it back to us as soon as possible so that we can refund the deposit to your credit card by then.
Okay, thank you.
How may I assist you more?
That's enough for now, thank you.
Thank you for informing us. We regret that we are unable to serve you at this time and hope we can serve you again soon. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.